Hey guys, Brandon here, Florida Outdoors RV Center here in Stuart, Florida. I want to show you this Forest River Forester. It's a 3171. Really nice, clean lines with modern interior here. Really great decor. Solid surface countertops. Beautiful cabinetry, of course, plenty of storage up here with your flat screen TV, double door Dometic fridge here. Got our TV for the bunk bed area here. We have seat belts here as well, so this turns into a bed and it's safe to travel in. Our bathroom here. Queen size bed with reading lights both sides. Plenty of storage here. Flat screen TV. There's actually more storage behind that TV that opens up. Alright, let's take a look outside. This does come with a Dyson cord-free vacuum, so really great feature to have there. This is equipped with Ride Right, so give you a better drive. It does have slide toppers. It comes standard. Really great feature. Keep that debris off of your slides. Same on this side as well. With good of course, you have your Onan generator and your storage back here with all your city water hookups. So if you have any questions about this Forester, feel free to call us. 772-288-2221. I'm more than glad to answer any questions you may have. Thanks so much for watching and have a nice day.